Okay, so I cut it yesterday. The wig is very long. Before I cut it, the front was up to here, and the back was like right here. As far as shedding, it does do shedding, but that's normal. So, let's talk shedding. Shedding. If you have a synthetic wig or blended synthetic or whatever type of wig you have, you're going to have shedding. Like, if you don't expect shedding, then I don't know what to tell you. I know that there are human hair wigs. Those shed. Wigs are going to shed. So shedding is an issue. Then don't wear wigs. I know some wigs can be like excessive. The biggest issue that I think people should focus on as far as these wigs are tangles. Tangle and shedding are two different things. So this wig is going to shed, I'm sure of it. Okay, but as far as the tangle, it's been pretty good. But they sent me a brush with this wig to ensure that I could go and brush through it with the wig brush. So it works really good. It holds down really good. I did the Got2b glue to hold it down in the front. I gotta cut it a little bit more, and I didn't secure the like really edges. It could be parted many different ways. Curls kind of just come back. They sent me a spray, like a hair lace wig spray. I haven't tried it yet, but I will. I've worn this hair for 2 days on 2 different occasions. I went out last night, I wore it to work today, and I also tried it on when I was doing my initial review that I'm going to post hopefully later today. I didn't think I would have to work this weekend at my full-time job, but I did, but overtime, so yeah, know what I'm saying? What am I supposed to do? So, yeah, and I really like this unit. I haven't gotten a chance to personalize my wigs like I normally do, like with tweezing and all this and that and the third, and you know, putting concealer and all that stuff on it. But I just want to let you guys know that this is what the wig looks like, you know, 2 days later. I love it. It's really bouncy. It's really full. I love the dark roots and the blonde. I don't know. I'm going to try to get another wig from BHG Wigs because I need to get a fall color since summer's about to end. So I do need something more like a little cinnamon brown or red or something like that with the DR13 to go with the new change in the seasons. So subscribe and let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, concerns, just let me know. Thanks.